Good afternoon, you guys, and thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're a newbie, there's a little red button there for you to click and subscribe, so do that and then come back. And this is part 2 of the quarantine series thingy that I'm doing. Not really sure how many of these I'm going to do, but I'm going to keep it going for as long as we're in the house. The plan for today is to clean up my vanity, the whole area, because she's a mess. And then I'm going to be organizing my closet. I look like I've been rolling under the bed, but I'm not getting cute for this one. I'm gonna just leave it, and then I'm gonna do a face mask, and then we're gonna get started. So let's go. I have things all over the place because I just been spending a lot of time in the living room. And then these shoes are here. These shoes been here since I moved in, because I don't have a shoe shelf. So one day there's gonna be a shoe shelf somewhere over here. You know, I can just like scoot this that way, scoot that way, you know, make some space. So that's gonna be there for a minute. I want to get rid of this bag because it's like getting old, and like I just be stuffing stuff in here. I have a whole bunch of my extensions in here with like body sprays. I bought this little thingy majigga. I'm not sure what it's called, like a little cosmetic box, but you can do whatever you want. And it's really cute. I just haven't decided what I wanted to put in here. This is how it looks on the inside. So I think it's cute. And I kind of wanted to just leave it to the side at first and just use it for travel, like to put my makeup and toiletries in. But then it's just like, who's gonna just be carrying around a whole extra box when you can just put that in a travel bag? And then also, do not judge me when you see my closet, because I know some of y'all got some little nasty closets over there at home. Usually my closet would never really get this bad, or if it got messy, I would just fix it right away. But it's been a long winter and I've been home for the past 2 weeks just like y'all. So I pretty much just been putting stuff in there and forgetting about it because I haven't been leaving the house. Yeah, so that's that. So we're gonna fix that today. Lately, I've been breaking out, and I'm just like, bro, come on. Because for a while, you know, my skin was like, you know, getting up there. Now I just feel like I don't know what to do. I was thinking about switching up my products, but I kind of don't want to just switch everything because I genuinely like the products that I use, and I'm afraid of breaking out from other stuff because I tried to use other stuff to help it, but it was just making things worse. Yeah, so I'm about to just put this on. The mask that I'm using right now is by Freeman. It's this detoxifying charcoal and black sugar mud mask. It basically comes on, it's like really, I don't know how to describe the texture. It's like butter. It comes on like butter, and then it dries hard, so it kind of like gives you a lift, I guess, since it's like tightening your skin. For lunch, I'm eating my yellow rice and beans, and I have my green smoothie right here. This is the Bolthouse Farms Green Goodness smoothie. This is one of my favorite smoothies. Like, if you don't feel like blending up something, go to the supermarket, rack up on these. They have different flavors. We normally get the mango one and then the green one. I love these. It's so beautiful outside right now, and earlier I was like, I wish I could be outside. But to be honest, I have just been not trying to feel so bad about not being able to go outside. One, because I want to be optimistic and just positive. Summer's coming, we're gonna be able to go outside soon. And then also, there are people like in the hospital fighting for their life right now. People can't be with their families. People don't have a home to be in. So it's like, you know, at least you get to be home in good health and, you know, a roof over your head. So I just been not trying to complain too much about it. A little mini food for thought for the day. Supposed to be on for 10 minutes. I've had it on for about 20 minutes and it's starting to like irritate me. So I'm about to just like switch it out for another mask. All right, so my face is clean. The next mask I'm gonna use is this peel off gel mask. It's by the same brand. Basically, if you've never used a peel mask before, it comes on, you put it on and it's like almost like gel. And then when it dries, you peel it off. Alright, so I'm about to just start putting everything away that's like on top of the dresser. And then I'm gonna throw things out that's supposed to be thrown away. Since you guys don't know, I actually have a hobby of like interior decorating, and I have like a lot of looks for days, sweetie. So one of my passions will always be like interior decorating and like home design. So hopefully one day I can pursue that, you know. But yeah. Got finished cleaning everything on the inside and out is clean and organized. I threw out a lot of old things that I didn't need anymore. This drawer is still kind of empty because like I'm running out of makeup wipes and like moisturizer and stuff, but everything's pretty much clean. This drawer is pretty much the same because there wasn't much to organize, but I added some things in here that weren't in here before. And then, like you guys seen earlier, I organized inside the hair drawers and stuff like that. So everything is clean. I think it's time to start peeling off this mask. I love peeling mask off. It feels so good. Ooh. Oh, that is so satisfying. Bippity boppity. And we are done. So I basically just cleaned my closet off camera because my closet is very small, if you haven't noticed. It's about the size of me, so it didn't make no sense if you can't see me do it. I still have a couple of winter stuff at the front just in case the weather goes down a little bit because it's pretty much been in the 50s. The rest of my sandals are in the back, so when I can trust the weather again, I'll just bring the summer sandals to the front. But I have 2 pairs because those are new and I don't want to forget them. Yeah, so I just pretty much sort of color coded. I got the nudes with the nudes, the browns with the browns, the whites with the whites. You pretty much get the point. Yeah, so this is done. I actually have some more stuff in my boyfriend's closet because his closet is bigger and he's very generous. So I'm gonna organize that because I pretty much made a mess too in that closet. This is just, you know, it is what it is because it's a small closet again and I have like a lot of things, so. But it's pretty much done. I'm like sitting at my vanity right now and I'm so pleased with everything. Like everything's so clean. So you guys have come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching once again and I'll see y'all in my next one.